Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this nice question. Evaluate the determinants of this matrix. So the parallel lines just indicate that you're supposed to compute for the determinant of the matrix. So the matrix is sine of theta, and negative cos of theta, sine of theta. So to obtain the determinant, we just get the difference of the product of the diagonals. So you're going to take that of the main diagonal, that is sine times sine. You're going to have sine theta times sine theta, and then you subtract the product of the other diagonal. So that is negative cos theta times positive cos theta. So let us solve this. So sine theta times sine theta is sine squared theta minus negative cos theta times cos theta is negative cos squared theta. So this is minus minus, we have a plus cos squared theta. And according to the quadratic, not quadratic, but the trigonometric identities, if you take sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, you get 1 as the answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.